trees for the sawmill. We found a couple of standing dead trees, and we got them cut down. I got one more to do here real quick. That one I just cut was dead. This one here is not, but it will be. All these oaks are diseased in here. They got those galls on them, you know. Well, not all of them. These red oak, I don't know. There's white and red oak and swamp oak or black oak, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing pretty much, but yeah, hang tight with me. Let's ride along while I cut one. Let's get the saw running here. It's gonna be loud, but it won't take long. Not with this mean saw. All right, that was gonna fall who knows where. And of course, the saw died. But I don't mind, because this one runs a lot better than that piece of shit steel that we got. So I say. Okay, so you'll notice that I don't waste any time doing notches and all that extra.
Almost got the other one down too.
Yeah, the other one almost fell. So yeah, you'll notice real quick, I was telling Dad, I don't waste no time. Like this one here, I notched this lower. I didn't notch it, I just made a cut straight in. And then I come back a little higher here because I wanted it to go that way. There's no need to waste shit tons of time cutting all them wedges out. And then when you get done, your logs are not even straight on the end. You gotta cut them again. Look here, look at how straight that was. I mean, that is almost perfectly 90 degrees square. Same way here. Look at that nice cut. Look, I didn't hurt a damn thing. And yeah, they all kick on you. Yeah, well, I'm light on my feet and I'll move. I'll bail out of the way 20 feet. This one here is getting ready to fall. It got hung up on us. And you can make that argument with the notch that, oh, they'll get hung up, but we got a tractor, so we don't care. We just come over with the bucket like this and put it on and push them down. There's no ROPS on that tractor though. Our backhoe's got ROPS on it, so you don't have to be quite as careful. But yeah, I don't have any ROPS, so you got to watch for, like, you don't want to be pushing on some dead trees. The tops will break off and fall out on you and kill you. Unless you bail the rail real quick and hide under something. What do we got? Have we got any 48-inch diameter hickories? No, I'm just kidding. I ain't cutting my hickories. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one there. See this big hickory got hit by lightning one time. I got, yeah, if you go watch some of my hunting videos from last year, I was squirrel hunting back here. And I'm talking about this hickory tree. It got hit by lightning, but if she ever gets hit again or dies, by golly, I'll make that sucker into cabinets and tabletops. And we've got this big log back here we cut down, remember? Or it fell down, we cut it up. What'd you say? He's over here looking at all the ones that are dying, so we can just go ahead and drop them. Look at this double hickory right here. Beautiful, beautiful lumber. So yeah, he's got white oaks in here. This is probably another red oak. I don't know my trees really that, you know, I'm not an expert, but look at this one. Hey, let's run this one through the sawmill. Yeah, our mill will cut that. Hey, we can slab this back. Well, it's kind of rotten a little bit, but we could get some short pieces like for some end tables. Look here, this is big enough to get a couple end table tops out of. This piece here is probably in better condition. This one fell down a couple years ago. Well, it actually fell across our trail here. So we cut it and pushed it out of the way. Look at that. Yeah, but look at this one. Look at how much lumber's in that. Hell, you could get 1, 2, 3, 4 huge beams out of that. Like 6x6. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It ain't rotted. And I like it when the outside's rotten. That makes it better. Oh, look, we got another one down over here. I haven't even been back here to notice this. Holy crap. This thing's a monster. I guess we're still recording, I hope. You know how much battery I had. All right, let's ditch the saw. There's a deer print. There's a buck print right there. And then all over through here. Yeah, so I'm thinking about leasing this land out for people to hunt on. Bow hunting only though. Yeah, I got that building up front. I'm thinking about putting a camper in here. Look at this one. I wonder what you can get out of it. If it's it, you can cut into it and find out. Man, this stuff takes years though to rot out. You know what? Look at this monster over here. Hey, I'm glad we bought these 2 acres because this is over on the new acres. You know what? Look at this tree. It sheared it off whenever it fell. Look here, just sheared it right off. Oh, look at that one. Oh, dang. It's like a gold mine over here. Look at this monster. Damn. Hey, we can't run this one through the mill without like doing a chainsaw. What do you call it? You can do a freehand chainsaw. You can mill it into. You can mill it into some beams or cut it down to more square. Damn, this is 40-something inch diameter log. I bet this sucker is 48 inches at the base. Holy shit! Look at this limb. I mean, look at how big the upper limbs are. You know what I mean? This is what we've been running through the sawmill stuff, just like this. Look at this limb here. So this is what we're doing, reclaiming all this trees that fall down, and we're just cutting down the ones that are diseased or standing dead, you know. But yeah, before we get off here, I'm gonna go look at this one here. Man, that thing is a beast. Holy smokes. Hey, you know, that one's nice and dried out. Man, we're gonna have to cut that down. I'm gonna go walk over there here in a second. Oh, look at this thing. Holy shit, folks. Oh, if you stayed long in the video, here's your reward. Oh my, yeah, we just picked up a couple acres. I got some other videos that I'll upload about it. Look at this, you could impale yourself. Don't get impaled, folks. Wow, isn't this incredible? Look at this. Oh, cool. Oh man, you know how many bugs I can get out of here to feed our dragons and frogs with? And if you ain't seen those videos, go check out our channel over on YouTube. It's called Our Lucky Frogs. It's O-U-R, Our Lucky Frogs. And we got bearded dragon videos. And we got 2 giant African bullfrogs that we feed them all kinds of stuff. Yeah, so let's check this out before we get off here. All right, we're gonna go film this tree and then hang up on them here and go cut some more. These May apples, look at them, they're turning yellow. What is it, what's today, June 3rd or 4th? I think it's the 4th. Today's Sunday. No days off around here. This is a day off, actually. This is living the dream right here. Oh, wow. This is probably 50 some inches diameter. I mean, wide. 50 inches wide. Wow, there's enough lumber in that to build 2 cabins. You know what? That'd be hard to handle. You need a track hoe. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to buy one. You need a backhoe and a track hoe. And a bobcat with tracks. With forks. Or one of them, you know. You could walk in here with that bobcat and you could grab that log right there. If you cut that off, you could pick that up and carry it out. Well, if you have room to carry it out, you can just drag it out. Okay, well, time to go. Whew. High energy. Look at them deer prints. Yeah, I'm high energy, you can tell. Wound up, folks. Yeah, let's go get the tractor and just take this log right here over there and run that sucker through. You'll run it through today. All right. The mosquitoes are buzzing, so see ya.